Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, we are going to be exploring the Google AI in Ableton Live 10. This is called Magenta, and what it is it's an open source research project exploring the role of machine learning as a tool in the creative process. It is a Max for Live plugin. I'll just open it up here. It is over here. Boom. This is Magenta, and what it does is it uses machine learning slash AI slash insert buzzword to create um, new variations and continue and do neat things and generate stuff. And it's really cool. It's a Max for Live plugin. I don't think I explained that yet. And yeah, you can get it. It's free. And yeah, let's hop to it. So what you do is you put it on a blank MIDI device here. And I'll just move my dumb face out of the way. Blank MIDI device here, and this has control of all your clips essentially. And what I have is a synth and then a drum rack, and I'm going to be generating some cool stuff in there. So let's generate some cool stuff. So we'll hit generate, and it'll open, and I want to generate a melody, right, on the track kilohertz 1. It's a pretty cool synth. Choose clip, slot 1, so it'll start at slot 1 and then continue from slot 1 to 8. I can create more or less variations, and the temperature is, I guess, a random, more random kind of control. So you can make things less or more random. It's actually pretty cool. So we'll hit generate, and you'll see it. The old shape must have the same numbers. Okay, whatever. Do that. I don't know why it does that, but yeah, now it generated 9 variations of a melody. Check it out. Okay, I want to keep that for something I'm going to show you later. I'm just going to color code that red. I'm actually going to move that up an octave. What does that sound like? That sounds pretty dope. So I'll color code that red as well. And you can do as many of these generations as you want. And I found 2 that I really like, which brings me to the next cool thing that this system can do. And that is interpolate. You can interpolate between this MIDI clip and this MIDI clip, and you can do some interesting things. So let's open up a MIDI, and we'll go, or sorry, Magenta on the MIDI track, go interpolate. And we'll get a little pop-up here. We'll choose kilohertz 1 beta, that channel. Clip A will be this one, clip B will be 5.9. And yeah, let's say melody, and do a bunch of variation. We'll do 10 variations starting at slot 5, and it'll just go like that. Hit generate, and it'll generate this interpolation kind of situation there. The 2 of these same things here. So we got this one. Right, let's continue. Getting there. All right, I'm gonna color code that one because that one's interesting for the next thing I want to show you. Let's just check out these ones just for fun. That one's pretty cool. Okay, so let's look at this one. This one's a better example of what I want to show you. So this is what it created, and you know, let's say I really like the beginning part, but I don't like the other part, or I wrote something and I wrote like a little bar thing, and I don't know where to go from that next. I'm gonna actually make this MIDI clip a little bit shorter. Boom, boom, boom. So this is what I got. Like that by itself sounds pretty dope, but let's do some more stuff. with Magenta here. So let's go continue. We can actually continue onwards. It'll analyze kind of what you're doing. Make sure you select melody. It can't tell what is melody and what is drum kit yet. That'd be a cool feature, but let's choose a track. Let's want beta, choose clip, this guy. And I'm gonna make this 2 bars instead of 1, and I want 8 variations. And let's go generate. And I guess it'll take kind of what is there and then add something that has context. So this is what we have before. Right? And this is what we have now. It kind of continues on, which is beyond cool. Right? Let's check out this one. Right? Like that sounds pretty dope. Right? You know, some things make sense, some things don't, but you know, it's all about just, and you can just keep on doing this, get variations going, etc., etc. And you know, you can take this and just keep on building upon it until you find something that you enjoy. Let's generate some drums now. So I have my drum kit over there. I'm gonna hit generate. Put my drums there, choose my track, 4 AM kit, which is that right there. Choose clip 1, and let's just get a bunch of variations and then hit generate. Give me some volume. So there, I got a bunch of ideas here. I usually color code which ones I like, which ones I don't like. That's cool. It's more of like a broken beat sort of thing. So I made a little fill there. That was dope. Okay. All right, so let's take that one, and let's do something that I haven't really done before. I really like this one. And this one. So I'll just, yeah, I'll keep this one, and I'll get this one kind of an off red. So let's hop in here, and I want to kind of look at what Groove does really quickly. And yeah, so let's do that. Groove. We'll go drums, this one right here, choose clip 16, generate, output clip to slot 2. And I'm wondering what this does. Adjust the timing and velocity. And what does this do? Yeah. Yeah. It kind of humanizes it, essentially. And yeah, we can just select all these guys and then kind of make them a little more continuity. Have a little bit more continuity, I should say. And what else? What's the last options? Drumify. I want to check out what that does really quick. Creates groove based on arbitrary input. Okay, well, let's just give it a try. Well, not that one. Drumify. So choose track 4 a.m. kit, this one right here, and then we'll output it to slot 3. Let's see what that does. I guess the sky is the limit, essentially. Yeah, not quite sure what that does quite yet, but yeah, it's a really kind of interesting system here, and you know, from this what we've just done, I have this kind of idea here. Anyway, hope that was interesting to you. It's kind of for research purposes, but yeah, you can do all sorts of things. So say you have this right here. So we'll set this to 16ths, or maybe 8ths. Yeah, let's go 8ths. Okay, so I want that. So let's continue that with variations and see what's going on. I want to continue that right there. Let's see what it does. This would be an interesting kind of use case for it. So slot 2, that many variations. Let's make that 4 bars, and then generate. Interesting. Interesting. It doesn't take into account like the vibe that I wanted, but it's kind of an interesting aspect of it. Oh, I spoke too soon. Probably not the best example, but you get the idea. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you learned stuff. Take care and have a good one.